Cybersecurity jobs shouldn't be disappearing. They're evolving. In an AI-driven world, automation is reshaping how we defend our digital threats. The question is no longer will AI replace us, but how will we stay ahead? The cybersecurity workforce is standing at a crossroads. Artificial intelligence is no longer just another tool in our arsenal. It's rapidly reshaping what it means to defend against digital threats. On the one hand, automation is taking over repetitive rules-based tasks, log analysis, patch management, anomaly detection. What used to take teams of analysts hours or days can now be done in minutes by AI systems trained on a massive streams of threat data. Does this mean fewer jobs for cybersecurity professionals? Not quite. What it really means is a shift in focus. The future of this field won't be about who can sift through the most alerts. It will be about who can interpret, guide, and govern intelligent systems. The skills that matter most will center on critical thinking, adversarial creativity, and ethical decision-making. Humans will need to ask, can I trust the model's judgment? How might an attacker manipulate this AI? Where are the blind spots automation can't see? We'll also see growing demand for hybrid skills. Security professionals fluent in both cybersecurity fundamentals, AI, and data science will stand out. Those who understand how machine learning models are trained, tested, and attacked will be invaluable in preventing a new wave of AI-driven exploits. And with the regulations evolving worldwide, expertise in governance, risk, and compliance will become just as crucial as technical know-how. So in the future isn't about AI replacing the cybersecurity workforce. It's about AI raising the bar. Entry-level work will look different, yes, but opportunities will expand for those who can think both like a hacker and a strategist. In an AI world, the best defenders will be those who never stop learning, who adapt faster than the threats, and who see technology not as a replacement for human judgment, but as an amplifier of it. Moving faster than the threats. In cybersecurity, standing still is falling behind. Threat actors are experimenting with AI just as fast, if not faster, than defenders. That means our ability to adapt, retrain, and think critically will determine whether AI becomes our strongest ally or our weakest point of failure. The professionals who thrive will be those who treat every new wave of automation as an opportunity to sharpen human judgment and outpace our adversaries. This has been your Cybersecurity Tips of the Week. Everyone, please stay safe and secure until we see you next time.